Alright, so I'm back with day 2 and a GUI refresh. So here is the Chore chart app with CustomTkinter and a new menu system. It's like gamified more so than it was. We've got a rewards market with pictures of stuff to inspire them more, and I've also added a better voice.
Load the dishwasher. Loading the dishwasher correctly helps get all our
Haha, it crashed. Caught that 4K. We also have instructions with the specific dishwasher and our little soap door.
Load the dishwasher. Loading the dishwasher correctly helps get all our dishes clean at once, saving water and time. Vacuum the rugs. Vacuuming pulls deep down dirt and dust out of the rugs, which keeps the air in our house cleaner to breathe.
We have completed a few of these things already.
Hang up your wet towel. Hanging your towel lets it dry properly so it doesn't get a yucky.
I wonder if I can make it crash again. Oh, yep. Alrighty, so, back to debugging, but that's the progress. And that's after only 2 days. So the next step is going to be to take it to a fully connected API powered custom vision model that analyzes images that the kids will upload with their phones and determine if they are within 90% similarity on image classification to what a clean room or clean floor would look like, for example. So I'm going to make it a truly smart product. Stay tuned.